Good morning and welcome. I'm Kate at Elite and we are at a 3-bedroom house on Quinta de Paraíso that's currently undergoing some pretty major renovations. I'm going to have to be a little bit careful where I put my feet. You'll see why as we go inside. So I may as well start off here with the electrics. As you can see, it's pretty frightening to see it in that state. But a common mistake that people make here in Portugal when they do improvements to their kitchens or other areas of the house is, oh yeah, I can get rid of gas and just put in an induction hob and it'll all be fine. Quite often that's not the case because the electric just doesn't have the capability to take that induction hob with all the other appliances running on the same circuit. So often it's necessary to increase the power and to split the circuits. In this case, it's a little bit more serious than that, and you're going to see why as we go through. But here you can see we've got new drainage, so there's new drain boxes. Another big problem in this country, drain boxes. So actually, whilst doing the work, we've isolated and put in new drain boxes wherever possible. We've got new water pipes, and all this is going to be prepared for underfloor heating. As we go through to the lounge area, you can see here that the owners have decided to knock through it from the kitchen to make this more open plan so that it's more modern, more light, and it just flows really nicely. You can see here all the electrical points that are going in. There's going to be a really nice extractor, sort of feature extractor fan here, and a lovely dining area. This here that we can see, so the owner has decided to put in electric shutters that you'll be able to flip with a switch as you come through the front door, but also you can do them individually. But it is actually quite a lot of work because you have to knock out above each of the windows to put the housing for the electric shutters. There'll also be brand new windows in here as well. As quite an old house like this, it had some features which I'm sure at the time were lovely, but now not quite so much in fashion. But these houses had a lot of built-in sort of cement sofas around here. They've all been knocked out. So it'll just give a more modern feel. The owner of this house is actually Dutch, so it's been quite interesting having conversations over FaceTime to try and make decisions. He can't be here, obviously. So we've had lots of talks of how high things should be and how many sockets there should be, where we need the electrics to be. Doing such a major job, all these little considerations, they need to be taken into account. He's actually decided he wanted a really high doorway here, really modern doorway. And then there's 3 bedrooms. We've got in this bedroom here, this was just a bedroom, but now he's decided to utilize some of the space that was a kind of dressing area and have a shower and sort of wash area. And you can see the water pipes that are going in for that now. And then through to the other areas, we have another bedroom here, which is just ready for the underfloor heating to be laid. A bathroom here, again, the floor here is ready to be laid with the underfloor heating. And you can see that they've decided here to keep the hand-painted traditional Portuguese tiles, which I think is quite nice. It's not a new house, so what they're trying to do is mix the traditional Portuguese tiles with the more modern tiles, and I think it'll be a really nice blend of the two. Then go through to the master bedroom. And here you can actually see the housing before it's all filled in for the electric shutters. Is quite a big job, but well worth it in my opinion. And we have the master bathroom here. And again, they've decided to keep the traditional hand-painted tiles, but blend with the modern tiles. You can also see that they have decided to make more of the window that was originally here, make it a lot longer. This will be with frosted glass, obviously, so that nobody sees in, but again, floods the room with light. From the exterior, we're not doing so much, just a few little jobs outside. Most of it is actually happening here inside the house. But this house is going to be for rental again once, obviously, all this is finished. And it'll be really exciting to be able to show you the before and after pictures to see what actually, what can be done and how nice it's going to look.